In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Zendesk macros in 2024 using essential customer success resources. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to how to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to refine your skills, this guide will ensure you're well prepared to make the most of this powerful tool. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to your ticket area. This is the primary workspace where you'll handle customer requests and manage your communication. Understanding this space is critical as it forms the basis of your macro management. Next, you'll want to click on Settings. This is located on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open a range of options related to the customization and preferences of your Zendesk account. The Settings section is your gateway to organizing your workspace exactly the way you want it. After accessing the settings, you'll proceed by selecting Workspaces. The Workspaces option is pivotal, as it allows you to customize the environment where your team and you operate. Customizing your workspace ensures that the tools you need are easily accessible and can be tailored to suit your team's workflow requirements. Once inside the Workspaces section, your next step is to click on Macros. Macros are predefined, repetitive actions that help automate responses and standardize messaging in customer interactions. They are essential in reducing the time required to respond to common queries, thus improving efficiency and consistency. At this point, you have the option to create new macros. To do this, click on Create Macros within the Macros section. You'll be prompted to fill in the details required to construct a macro. These details typically consist of the response text, any accompanying actions such as tagging a ticket, and specific instructions to elevate the customer's issue if needed. Remember, the more detail you pack into a macro, the less manual input will be required later on. So take the time to customize each macro to meet common support scenarios effectively. Once you've filled in all necessary details for your macro, simply click Create to finalize your macro. It will now be available for use in your ticket responses. The beauty of this system lies in its ability to be updated as new queries arise or as old macros become obsolete. And that brings us to the end of today's walkthrough on organizing your Zendesk macros in 2024. By leveraging these steps, you not only streamline your customer service interactions, but also ensure your team spends less time on repetitive tasks and more time resolving complex customer issues. Thank you for joining me today, and happy macro organizing.